Well, in news from Assam, the state government has shut down the first vaccination dose of Covaxin as a temporary measure because of the inadequate supply of the vaccine. The government has prioritized the second dose of this vaccine. In other words, those who've had it first will get their second dose, but you can't start up on Covaxin just yet. Across the state, people are still finding it difficult to get the second jab of Covaxin. Several have already missed their deadlines, as Ratnadeep Chaudhary reports.
48-year-old Vaccination Deka waits for his turn to take the jab at this vaccine center in Guwahati. This is the only one in the city that is administering Covaxin, and only the second dose. Deka says he has been coming to this center for the last 5 days. Since only 100 people are vaccinated in a day, there is an acute Covaxin scarcity in the state. He has only 2 days left for the 45-day deadline for the second dose ends.
First dose to lower bra aji 42 days hol. Aji last day there mane je period tour. Aru aji ek hopta dhori try kori achu. Khanapur golu 3 din. Dota test hol. Kintu hekhot jai vaccine to noa hoy gol. Next dina matile next dina golu tate nai. Ete 3 din ahilu joa kali thik mor agot 3 jon agot 100 number to hek hoy gol. Gusi golu.
Assam is facing a major crisis in terms of supply of Covaxin. The state has already stopped administering the first dose of Covaxin, and even for the second dose, there are only few centers in the state where the vaccine is being administered. Over 300 kilometers east of Guwahati, at Jorhat, Dipankar Saikia is agitated. His parents have missed their second dose deadlines due to the lack of vaccines.
But we are yet to hear from any concerned authorities regarding the second dose of Covaxin. I, along with the other individuals, we have tweeted and retweeted about this issue so many times to the health minister, to the chief minister, to the concerned NHM authorities. We are still unsure of what to do.
This CoWIN app status grabs clearly shows how people in Assam, including senior citizens who are most vulnerable to COVID infections, have missed the second dose of the Covaxin vaccine.
মই এজনী কিডনিৰ পেশেন্ট মই যোৱা 27 এপ্ৰিলত ফাৰ্স্ট ডোজ কোভ্যাক্সিন লৈছিলো আজি মোৰ 39 দিন হ'ল আজিলৈকে মই সেকেন্ড ডোজ পোৱা নাই বঙাইগাঁও নানান সেন্টাৰত যাই চিৰাঙতো নানান সেন্টাৰত যাই মই সেকেন্ড ডোজৰ কাৰণে চেষ্টা কৰি আছো.
At the launch of the vaccination drive, Assam had targeted to inoculate at least 1,78 lakh people. Till date, 34.36 lakh people or 19.30% are partially vaccinated in Assam. Only 8.45 lakh, which makes about 4.74%, are fully vaccinated in the state. 42.81 lakh doses of both the vaccines put together have been administered in Assam till June 4. Of them, over 80.82% have been Covishield doses. 18.69% has been Covaxin doses. For their second dose, Assam now plans to stock up 1,50,000 doses of Covaxin. The government says it has chalked out a new strategy to resolve the crisis.
We have collected the beneficiaries of age group 45 years who are above to cross 40 to 42 days or who have crossed 2 or 3 days. Within these few days, we are again getting more Covaxin vaccine for inoculation. So that vaccine we will only use for the second dose.
Thousands of people anxiously waiting for their second dose of Covaxin would be hoping that the strategy works out. In Guwahati, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.